Hey everyone, it's Blake Bundy here from Winning Solutions Inc. And today I will be bringing you guys another Microsoft Access Expert Template walkthrough. I will be showing you guys where to find the template database on our website, how to download the template database demo, and how to use the demo properly. Most of our templates are not designed to be used on their own. Instead, they are designed in a way that makes it simple and smooth to integrate it into an already existing database that you have already been using. You can also build a more robust Microsoft Access database that is built around one of our templates. If you would like to create a new database that is based off of one of our templates and don't know how or do not have the time to do so, let us know and we would be happy helping you with getting the database that 100% fits your needs. With most of our templates that we offer, there's 3 different versions that you can purchase. A compiled runtime version, one for internal use, and one for unlimited developer use. Our compiled runtime version is a run-as-is version without the paid full version of Microsoft Access using the free Access runtime from Microsoft. It can be integrated into your existing Access application, but you would not be able to make any modifications to the forms, the reports, the modules, etc. This option is more for those of you who do not see any need to make any customizations to the template. Our internal use version allows you to use or modify the databases however you wish within your organization. And last but not least, our unlimited developer use version allows you to use the database template however you wish for any applications you develop and distribute the template as part of a database you create. Winning Solutions Inc.'s templates have a strong advantage over shrink-wrap software that you purchase from a store or website. With our templates, you receive the source code along with your purchase, so you are able to customize and update the database as you please. With shrink-wrap software, you do not receive the source code when purchasing the software, which means that you cannot update or customize the database as you wish. In our video today, we will be working on a demo version of our database template. A demo is a simple way that you can view and try out our database templates so that you can determine if you would like to purchase it or not. This is great for customers due to the fact that all of our sales are final. Our sales are final because when we give you the source code when you purchase the template, and once we give you the source code, there is really no way that you can return the code. If you'd like to test out our demos for multiple days, you are free to do so. All you have to do is leave the database open so that the data you enter will not be wiped. That is because our demos are designed so that once you close the demo, all the data that you have entered will be wiped from that database. You have to purchase the full version if you would like to save your data that you have entered. Upon downloading a demo for one of our templates, you will have to unzip the downloadable file. Zip files make it much easier to send and download large files over the web. Unzipping a file is a very simple step. All you have to do is extract the file so that you have access to the uncompressed file. If you do not know how or do not understand how to unzip a file, check out our YouTube channel and watch the How to Unzip One of Our Files video tutorial to learn this simple step. The link to that video will be in the description of this video. So now, let us get into downloading and testing out one of our templates. We're going to start off here by going to our website at microsoftaccessexpert.com. As you can see, I have been here before. On the top of our website, there's going to be a toolbar with all the various ways that you are able to contact Winning Solutions Inc. You're going to want to click on the sidebar button on the left side of our homepage that is labeled Database Templates for Sale. A sublist then opens up and you need to select the Database Templates List button to view the list of all of our templates that we offer. The list is broken up into categories. The different categories that we currently have are our most popular ones, appointment and scheduling databases, calendars databases, reservations and booking databases, contact and communications databases, task management databases, equipment and maintenance tracking databases, sales databases, employee databases, education databases, small business databases, and last but not least, database tools and miscellaneous templates. And today we're going to be taking a look at the Microsoft Access Escalator Appointment Tracking Database. So you're going to want to go ahead and scroll up a ways here and go into our appointment and scheduling section. And you want to click on the Access Escalator Appointment Tracking Database. Go ahead and click that. Once that's open, you're going to want to download the demonstration that correctly corresponds with the version of Access that you are running on. I'm going to go ahead and download this one. Once that downloads, go ahead and open that, and you're going to want to extract all that file, so go ahead and just click on that and click extract all. And once you've extracted that, just go ahead and open that database template. And with all of our database templates, since they do come from the web, your computer views it as a potential security risk or warning. Now, I can assure you that this database template is safe, so I'm going to go ahead and continue on and open this database template. And along with all of our database templates, you also get a pop-up box, and it just shows all the different ways that you can contact us. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. However, I'm just going to go ahead and close out of this for now. So this database template would be perfect for if you own an escalator, maybe repair company, or maybe even build escalators, and it'd be perfect to keep track of all your appointments that you have. However, if you like this database template but you don't own an escalator type company, contact Winning Solutions Inc. and we can make the database template to be compatible with any type of company that you have. So I'm going to start off this demonstration by creating a new customer. We're just going to make one up here, Miss Ann Smith. As you can see, we can fill out a lot of information. I'm not going to fill out all the information, but we will fill out an email. Just put in a fake one. We'll put in one phone number, I guess. Why not? The business phone number. I'm going to leave the address line blank, but as you can see, you can put in business, home address. You can even put in notes about the customer, your call history, your appointment history, your payment history. So this is a pretty detailed section of the database. You can even put in a picture of the customer. I'm not going to do that for now, just for the sake of this demonstration. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close this for now. So I've created that customer. Now I can go ahead and search for that customer. We'll just search by the last name. We'll put in Smith. And look at that. There's that customer that I had created, Ann Smith. So now if I click this, I double click it, and I can view the record, and I can even edit the record if I want to. So this is pretty cool. However, I'm not going to edit it right now since this is just a demonstration. Go ahead and just save and close that. We're going to go ahead and cancel out of this. So now I want to show you guys how to create an appointment. So you go ahead and you view your schedule calendar. As you can see, you have a daily view, a weekly view, every 2 weeks, so bi-weekly view, and a monthly view. That's what that looks like. So we're going to go to the daily view, and we're going to create an appointment for December 21st, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Just double click on this time section right here. Customer, the customer we just created, Ann Smith. Going to go ahead and put in person 1. Our type, we'll put in service. As you can see, we have the start time 8 a.m. and the end time is going to be 9 a.m. So there we go. Our workers, if we're going to have multiple workers work on it, we can even put in other employees. So we're going to put in person 2 as well, you know. And you can even put in the payment, how they're going to pay for this. It's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and select a custom color for this. So we're going to go orange, and it's going to make this orange right here. However, when I hit save and close, it's also going to pop up orange on the calendar. The reason why this is cool is because if you have multiple appointments back to back or something like that, or just multiple appointments in one day, this really helps with the organization of that. So there it is. There's our service. If you even go monthly view, you can view it as well. So this is pretty cool. Go ahead and close out of this. And you also can view the schedule by day. So if you have a ton of appointments on a specific day, we're just going to search for the 21st since that's the day we made it. We only have one appointment on that day. So but there is our appointment. But if you were to have a bunch of appointments and you just want to view like today's appointments, you know, you don't want to become clustered and look at the whole calendar of appointments. This is perfect for that. You just search for the day and it will list out all of the appointments that you have for that day. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough brought to you by Winning Solutions Inc. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please feel free to give us a like or subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of other walkthroughs and tutorials. Also, feel free to contact us for any of your IT needs, whether it be programming that you need, you want to buy a template, you want to customize a template, anything. Feel free to contact us whenever you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and post our contact information in the description below of this video. Also, you can find us on about any social media website. Feel free to follow us or like us on there. We post quite frequently. Once again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this Microsoft Access Expert template walkthrough, and have a great day.